Hello, it's Brent Shire with Leverage Lean, and this is the See How video for Customize New Excel Workbooks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the initial settings when creating a new blank Excel workbook. Some of those settings include the number of sheets, the default font type and size in the Excel view. Now you may have noticed a pain point in the newer versions of Excel where you went from 3 default sheets to 1, and I'll show you in this video how to change that back to 3 if you'd like. Instead of seeing the See How video, you can also do this Read How PDF tutorial instead of watching this. You can also put this PDF in a bigger, better view just by clicking full screen mode here. Alright, let me show you how to do this in Excel. If I open a new blank workbook, you'll notice that my initial sheets are 1 because I'm in that newer version of Excel, but if I want to change that back to 3, I can easily do that by going to File, scrolling down to Options, and once you click Options, make sure you're on the General tab. It should take you there by default, but just give that a double check because you'll quickly see this section when creating new workbooks. You can change the font type, the font size, the Excel view, or the number of sheets that are initially created. And I'm going to bump this up from 1 to 3, and you can put a lot of sheets out here initially, but I'll just show you that in this video. Now to see that change, you can just close Excel, open a new blank workbook, and you'll see that sheets change from 1 to 3 here. Alright, well this tutorial is pretty straightforward, but if you change those initial default settings, you can really save some time in the long run. I really appreciate you watching this See How video. Thanks so much for your time. Stay awesome.